Welcome to the enchanting world of the Aurora Polaris, where the night sky dances in a symphony of colors. The term Aurora Polaris is a broad name for both the northern and southern lights, specifically known as the Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis respectively.
These luminous phenomena occur roughly 70 kilometers above the Earth's surface in the ionosphere. Contrary to popular belief, the colors of the aurora are not painted by light reflecting off polar ice, but are due to the ionization of atmospheric gases.
The most commonly seen color, a bright green, is produced by oxygen molecules located approximately 90 kilometers up in the atmosphere.
Rarely, the sky may glow with alluring shades of deep red, a result of high-altitude oxygen, at heights reaching up to 190 kilometers.
The interaction between solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun, and Earth's magnetic field causes these spectacular lights.
Auroras tend to appear more frequently during the equinox months, March and September, contrary to the common misconception that winter is the prime aurora season.
Solar cycles, which last about 10 years, play a significant role in the frequency and intensity of auroral displays. Aurora sightings have been pivotal in mythology, inspiring awe and reverence in ancient civilizations around the globe.
Vikings believed the northern lights were reflections off the shields of the Valkyries, warrior maidens who led fallen soldiers to the afterlife.
In Australian Aboriginal legends, the Southern Lights were thought to represent ancestral spirits communicating from the cosmos.
Auroras are not exclusive to Earth. They have been spotted on other planets in our solar system, including Jupiter and Saturn, displaying even more spectacular variations.
The creation of an aurora begins with solar flares, which enhance the density and speed of solar wind particles.
When particles from the solar wind hit atoms and molecules in Earth's atmosphere, they get excited, releasing photons, which we see as the aurora.
Nitrogen, another atmospheric gas, contributes to the aurora's palette with blue and purple hues.
Inuit tribes have their own interpretations, often seeing the lights as the spirits of animals they hunted: seals, salmon, deer, and beluga whales.
The best places to view the northern lights are typically within the Arctic Circle, in countries like Norway, Iceland, and Canada.
Conversely, the southern lights can be best viewed from the Antarctic Circle, in locations such as Tasmania, New Zealand, and even the southern tip of Argentina. Technological advancements have made it possible to predict aurora activity, with several apps and websites dedicated to aurora forecasting.
The International Space Station, ISS, offers a unique vantage point for viewing auroras, allowing astronauts to see them from above. Auroral activity can sometimes disrupt radio communications and GPS signals by affecting the Earth's ionosphere.
The desire to witness this natural marvel has boosted tourism in polar regions, contributing significantly to their local economies.
The indigenous Sami people of Scandinavia and Russia consider the northern lights an essential part of their cultural identity and folklore.
Photographing the aurora of long exposure times to capture the range of colors and movement accurately.
Despite their ephemeral beauty, the fundamental processes that create the auroras are a constant subject of study in space weather research.
Historically, large aurora events were sometimes interpreted as omens of war or significant social change.
The Aurora Polaris, with its ethereal beauty, serves as a vivid reminder of our planet's place in the larger cosmos, interconnected with the sun and space. Thank you for joining us in exploring the captivating phenomena of the Aurora Polaris. May your nights be ever brightened by the dance of the lights.